Hello friends, a warm welcome to Gnanadeep Academy. Today we'll try to understand the most important series that we are going to start for answer writing. The name of this series is UPSC Simplified Answer Writing Series. In this series we are going to discuss question that too from two perspectives. One is what is locus of the question, second is focus of the question. So let's start with this particular question. First question, I'll read out the question. What is the question? The local self-government system in India has not proved to be effective instrument of governance. This is the question. Critically examine this statement and give your views to improve the situation. So when we read this question, first we have to understand two important things. Read question 2 to 3 times. Here we will try to understand what is locus of the question and what is focus of the question. So before moving forward, I want to make it very clear what is meaning of locus and what is meaning of focus. What is locus? The point or the part of syllabus from which the question has been asked is called as locus of the question. What is focus? The part of the syllabus where your most of the answer should be focused, or you should write maximum answer on that particular part, is called as focus of the question. So basically here remember, here local government system is locus. So it is the part of the syllabus on which question has been asked. And what is focus? So basically this question has two important focuses. What is locus? The local self-government system is the locus. And what is focus? First focus is ineffectiveness of local government system in Indian governance. That is why local self-government could not fulfill the mandate given to it by the constitution. Why local government system, that is Panchayat Raj institution, that is development administration, could not achieve the desired goals that were expected from them. So this is first focus, that is ineffectiveness of local government system. And second focus, how to improve, that is making improvement into the local government system so that this local government system can become more and more, what we can say, effective in having good governance in India. So these two are the focus. Always remember what mistake we commit. We focus or we write more and more about local self-government. Basically remember, the locus should be less focused and focus should be given more weightage. So how your answer should go? So let's see that. Here I always say that the first paragraph of your answer is the most crucial part. Here, the first paragraph of your answer should reflect that you have understood the question. You know what to write in the question. So basically, here remember, first paragraph of your question should show or reflect the significance of local self-government for governance. Here the word governance is very, very important. You are expected to write the significance or the importance of local self-government from the perspective of governance. Local self-government can have many perspectives. It can have many dimensions. But here your focus or your one point attention should be towards governance only, because the question is talks about governance. It talks about ineffectiveness of local self-government for achieving governance. So here first paragraph should reflect the significance of Panchayat Raj institutions for having good governance. Now, what is first focus? Reasons for failure of local self-government and its consequent impact on governance. Here, the most important mistake which you might commit is you might write only about the reason for failure of local self-government. They are not talking only about the reasons for failure of local self-government. They are saying that reasons for failure of local self-government have led to ineffective governance. Ineffective local self-government have led to ineffective governance. So this word governance is more important in this case. What happens? Many times we write general answers, we write vague answers, we take a point and we just keep on writing like university examination. This is UPSC examination. It is not university examination. Here you have to write that what are the various drawbacks in local self-government, that they are making local self-government ineffective from the perspective of governance. So what are the drawbacks? First, lack of financial autonomy, then political interference, bureaucratic apathy, corruption and mismanagement, inadequate devolution of powers to local self-government. Now here what is expected? Every point should go towards how these failures of local self-government are affecting governance in India. Governance in India regarding local self-government. So these are the points. Along with these points, poor people's participation, certain socio-cultural reasons, rural-urban divide, then inadequate monitoring and evaluation of various local self-government programs and their functioning, and poor support from the state government in many states where state government do not want to devolve their powers with local self-government. So these are the various reasons which are making local self-government ineffective from the governance perspective. You have to explain all these points from local self-governments ineffective from the governance perspective. Only writing these points is not sufficient. Your analysis is very, very important. Analysis from the perspective of what? From the perspective of your governance. Then second focus. What is second focus? How to improve local self-government in governance. So first, giving financial empowerment. Second, capacity building of local self-government. Third, transparency and accountability of state government as well as local government. Empowering women and marginalized group who are called as vulnerable sections. Then strengthening public participation in local self-government. Then simplifying administrative procedures. E-governance initiatives for local self-government. Then fostering participation between local self-government bodies, civil society, organizations and private sector. Here, local self-government bodies in case of rural areas are Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Zilla Parishad. And for urban areas, it is Nagar Panchayat, Nagar Parishad, Nagar Palika and municipal corporations, and in some cases, it is cantonment board. So they should have a holistic approach with all stakeholders. Performance-based incentives should be given to local government institutions. Decentralization of powers, public awareness campaign and use of technology for civic management. So these are all points which can be put in improvement of local self-government institutions. Finally, what should be our conclusion? See, we were talking about local self-government institutions and governance. Now, your conclusion should be futuristic. Your conclusion should be reformative. Your conclusion should be giving a way or giving a light out. So, what is conclusion over here? See, significance of local self-government institution and local self-governance in strengthening grassroots democracy. So, here basically, your local government institutions and their governance should go towards strengthening of grassroots democracy. It should go towards what? It should go towards participatory democracy. This is very, very important word. Also, it should be go towards what is? It should go towards the most important part of your democracy, that is a grassroots democracy which must be worked upon. So this is the simplest way to write answer. We'll keep meeting every day with new and new questions. Till then, keep watching and keep sharing with your friends. Thank you.